guys. So in today's video, I'll be doing a character tour since a lot of you guys didn't ask for it, but I just want to do it. So yeah, let me just get these out. Not these, but them out. Wait, where did his glass microphone headphones go? And I think somebody else's microphone went. Her glasses went, and then his microphone is not here. So I'm just going to quickly do those changes. But this video will have be a house tour and plus a character tour, not tour, but you guys will meet my characters. Oops. Alright, let's just oops. By the way, from now on, this is Coral's twin. Wait, I just changed the names. Right, so this is Presley and this is Deja. Oh my gosh. Now this is Coral and this is Summer. Yes. This is Coral, this is Summer, and this is Presley's twin, and this is Deja's twin. Sorry guys. So now let's do a character tour now. So yeah, let's start. Alright, so this is Presley. He is 18 years old. He is very spoiled, and yeah, he is very helpful sometimes. He likes to film TikToks, and yeah. So now we have Deja. So Deja is besties with Presley. By the way, y'all, I got these names from Presley Faith and Deja Clark. But anyways, yeah. So, well, I'm just getting mad. Well, anyways, so this is Deja. She is very kind and she loves animals. She also loves filming TikTok dances along with Presley's. Yeah. Now here we have the twins of Presley and Deja. So this is Summer. Why are her literal eyebrows blonde? Y'all, I just made this character and I forgot to pretend the eyebrows are as the same color of her hair. You understand me. So this Summer is very playful. She's so sweet. And on the other side, Coral's very sweet too. She loves Labubu's, and she loves skincare, and she loves makeup. So skincare, makeup. Yeah. Sorry guys, I'm a bit sick. So those were this rooms. I'm actually so sorry guys. Those were this room's people. Yeah. So here we have Leon and I don't know, Alexander. Yes, Alexander. So Leon is very funny. He is a bit clumsy. Not to expose him, but yeah, he is very clumsy. On the other hand, Alexander is very slick. He likes to draw, and yeah. So Yeah, yeah. Go, best friend. I'm killing him. Dun, dun, dun. I'm killing him. Wait, I might change like this baby to like something else. I like forgot, like not forgot, but like I can't find the baby where I find that mom. But like Deja found it, but like she couldn't find it. Like so as me, I couldn't find it too. Like then she found it. Then like now I'm have to be. I'm stuck with the like this baby, but she's cute. Her name is Violet. She's Pinky. Pinky. Just kidding. She is. Actually, she is Oakley, and this can be he, and he is Adam. Yes. So this is Janice, and this is Harvey. So they are married. But yeah, this is Marcus. Oh, and by the way, he loves like he works so much that like he works 24 hours straight. JK, but like he does work a lot, so he is tired. So while Janice, sorry guys, I have to do something. Wait, where was it? Oh, right there. So sorry. While Janice is a chef, she makes a very good food. But yeah, now we have Marcus. He loves to play the guitar, as you can see. He loves gaming and loves Fortnite. So now let's move on. But like I don't want to do like come back upstairs, so I'm just going to do like a tour very quick. Then I'll do a tour downstairs real quick as well. Alright, so this is Deja and Presley's room. Yeah, I think it's very cute. Here is Alice, the little cat. Here's Alice. Oh my gosh. I don't want to do like a full like tour, like explain every character, like what's like the pets' names and all that. So yeah, but on the other side, the gray cat on Deja's bed is Mimi. Well, we have the bathroom then. I'm explaining it quick because like yeah, my mom's calling me to dinner, but anyways, so here we have Alexander and I forgot. Oh my god. I'm not even going to try to remember. His name is going to be Joey. Joey. Well, he is Marcus. He's Harvey. She's Janice. But why am I explaining the characters again? Anyways, I'm just going to do a tour. So this is like the toddlers, like the two boy toddlers room. Then, I'm so sorry, guys. Moving on, we have like Marcus's room. Then we have the parents' room. Then we have like the entrance of like the second floor. Then we have the garden. I'm not finished with it, so don't mind how it just looks off. But yeah, I'm just going to give you guys a quick tour. Then like introduce like the two sisters. Then yeah, So this is like the main entrance. There's a pusheen. There's a bicycle, and yeah. So this is the dad's office. As I said, he works a lot. Now this is the first floor entrance. This is the kitchen. I really much love it. Here's some pickles. Sprite. I'm just going to throw some things away though. These two. Yes. Here's a cat. I know what her name is, but yeah. Here's the TV. Obvi. Here's the dining room. Here's like sorry. So this is Gabby's dollhouse. But actually no. Her name's going to be Estella, and her name's going to be Stella. Matching. But yeah, they sleep in the same bed. Cause like I can't fit like a bed in this room again. But anyways, so now here's the baby's room. Like not babies, but like the nursery. I just like remembered that I just had to put like this there. But yeah, I think I'm going to add like some stuffies on like the baby beds. Like yeah, but I forgot. So yeah, and also I'm going to fill the mini fridge with like baby bottles and like some baby essentials. But yeah, I forgot to do it because like I rushed some things. Yeah, credits go to me for this room, this room, this room, this room, this room, this room. All of the rooms except for the nursery. Deja made the nursery, so I copied from her. But anyways, guys, have a great day and bye.